Playground conversation. Girls meet in the playground.
Hey! You came to the playground? Yes. I love playing. Here. Me too. School is over. Now fun time. Exactly.
Talking about swings.
Do you like swings? Yes, a lot. Let's sit on that swing. Okay. Push me a little. Sure. Ready? Yes. This is fun.
Talking about slide.
Now let's go on that slide. Okay. But I feel a little scared. Don't worry. I will go first. Okay. Was it good? Yes. Very fun. Your turn. Okay, wow. That was nice.
Sitting on a bench, talking about friends.
I am tired now. Let's sit. Yes. Me too. You are my best friend. Really? You are my best friend too. Friends forever? Yes. Friends forever.
Goodbye.
It's getting dark. I should go home. Yes, me too. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Play again. Tomorrow? Yes, for sure. Take care.